The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook.
Hello to all of my wonderful crafty creators. I miss y'all so much, like so much. I could just take y'all and just squeeze, okay? But however, things are gonna get back to normal. You see my range, I'm trying to move my neck a lot better. Hey, it's just me, okay? I have fallen back from doing the videos a great deal, but friend, I was hurting. Okay, like back here, the back of my neck, they say it's a muscle, but it don't feel like a muscle because it extends out and it hurts and it swells, and I can only do so much at the time. Okay, so I just wanted to let y'all know I'm not neglecting y'all or anything. All right, I just needed to get myself together. All right, and that's basically it. I need to get myself together, and sometimes that includes, you know, alone time, because I did go through a depressive state, but I think I'm out of that. So yeah, friend, it was that kind of party, friend. It was that kind of party, friend. You know, so everybody knows that when you get depressed and down and out and things like that, you have to pick yourself back up through prayer and with friends and family and a good support system and all of that jazz. But anyway, all right, so yesterday, which was Sunday, I can't keep up with the days of the week or anything, all right, so forgive me for that. So yesterday I released this video, all right, and I have no purpose for this or anything. I do want to do a top coat because it did turn out okay, but I don't know if I want to do a top coat on this side or on the opposite side. All right, and I wanted to show you this real quick, and then we're gonna move on to the actual video that we are supposed to be doing. So today I will be doing a tutorial. All right, but let me slow down, calm down for a minute, because I may just go ahead and put this out by itself, you know, and do the tutorial by itself, because if someone is looking for something, they don't want to know how you was feeling. Okay, they don't want to know that. They just don't want to know. They're not interested in how you feeling and how was your day and what happened. Did you have surgery or whatever? So this is this piece. All right, lots of greens. All right, I know Love Yourself was like, I want to see the back. This is the back, friend. This is the back, friend. Look at Mayspring. Look at Mayspring. Mayspring shows out. Look at those effects. You see, that's nice. That's like awesome sauce. It's really nice. Okay, although it's not my taste, okay, because I don't like the color. Just because I don't like the color doesn't mean someone else might love the color, you know. So it is what it is. It looks nice. I do like, I was expecting the front to do a little bit of this uniform stuff here, but it didn't do that uniform. I'm trying to keep the reflection off. It didn't go so much in uniform, but I knew that the back would be pretty much uniform because I was doing so much work with the front. But there it is, friends. There it is. So I don't know whether I want to do a top coat for this or not because I like this side. Y'all let me know in the description, in the comments, if you like the back. Okay, if you like the back, let me know, say so. And if you like the front, let me know, say so. I'm trying to hold it so that, yeah, okay, just a nice little slice. But I will be going over that again because I don't have it down packed the way that I want to have it. All right, but in that video I used all Mainspring products. All right, so, and I used Padua resin. So I had the Shiny Malachite by Mainspring. Okay, I also had Mermaid Dust by Mainspring. And where's my darker? I had Imperial Emerald by Mainspring. And I used White Pearl by Mainspring. All right. And I also, I added these colors, but I don't think it played a huge role in it. But I added the the sterling lining by Mainspring. Okay, so this one is the one that rise above and, you know, cause all the effects and stuff to happen. And this one is like the synthetic mica. It is the dazzling diamond. So this one, you know, it's the kind of mica that it blows everywhere, like you got a whole poo. Okay, so I'm just letting you know that's what I used. And I also used the IKEA mirror chips from off of Amazon. Okay, I think like $12 or something like that. But anyway, all right, I have another video that I need to get to. I'm feeling nice, I'm feeling promising, I'm feeling like, okay, you know, let's go ahead and get this tutorial over. So anyway, guys and girls, my friends, I will be releasing this video that I'm about to do. I'm gonna be releasing it tomorrow, I think. Yeah, tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. Y'all, please, 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 I beg you, okay? Me to you, me to you, me to you, me to you. Please say something nice to someone, okay? You don't know how it would help that person, all right? It's the thought that count, that you would actually take time out of your day to say, you know, how you doing? You having a good day? Are you well today? You know, anything to let that person know you're engaging with them. All right. So, and the other thing I want you to do is stay positive. All right. We tend not to stay positive most times, but I'm gonna try to remain positive, because when I remain positive, then it shows in my work. Okay. And you all know, y'all are my therapy. Okay, just point blank, my therapy. And I've been doing good. I'm still not smoking. Hey, y'all see them lips? Them lips is popping. Hey, they popping. Hey, they popping. Hey. Y'all, okay, y'all know how I am. So don't even front. Don't act like you don't know. But I love y'all. So I'll see you later. Bye.